Hello, boys and girls. I will be reading day 2 of week 15, 180 days of reading for 4th grade. It says, there are many different kinds of sandwiches. There are also many different kinds of bread. There are lots of tasty sandwiches. One delicious kind of bread is pita. Pita is a round flatbread. It is from the Middle East, but it is very popular all over the world. Pita has a hollow center. When you cut a pita in half, you can feel it. That is why pita is sometimes called pocket bread. Another type of bread comes from France. It is called the baguette. Baguettes are long, thin loaves of bread. They are crusty on the outside and soft on the inside. Baguettes are great for subs and other long sandwiches. There are many other kinds of bread too. Which do you like best? Number 1. Why is pita sometimes called pocket bread? A. It is from the Middle East. B. It is crusty on the outside. C. It has a hollow center. Or D. It is flat. Number 2. Which sentence is not true? A. Baguettes make very good bread for subs. B. Pita comes from France. C. Baguettes are long and thin. Or D. A pita is round. Number 3. Which is not a compound word? A. Outside. B. Inside. C. Sometimes. Or D. Sandwich. Number 4. Which words are synonyms? A. Tasty and delicious. B. Hollow and crusty. C. Popular and thin. Or D. Pocket and center. And remember, synonyms are words that mean the same thing. And number 5. What is the tone of the text? A. Informative. B. Comical. C. Opinionated. Or D. Uncertain. And that is all for day 2.